Three low maintenance plants that are both impressive but also will improve your space with very many benefits. One on our list is the orchid. Orchids are lovely plants because of how long the flowers spend. Some orchid blooms can spend 3, some up to 8 months, depending on how you take care of them. They can also be put in planters that are decorative and of your choice. So think of any color that complements your space. Number 2 is the lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is an air purifying plant, good for housewarming, perfect for bathroom, but also for offices. All you need to do is put water occasionally and clean the pot. So it's very, very low maintenance. Next on our list is the ZZ. ZZs come in different varieties, but what stands out on this particular one is how deep the green is. These are low maintenance plants that are perfect for busy people. They store water in their bulbs, so perfect for busy people. We have new stock currently at Mao and More, a wide collection both for indoor and outdoor plants that are perfect for each and every person.